guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just bought me some fruits. Yes, henty, look at this. Okay, so I'm back on my vegan diet and I'm juicing, and I also have some orders for some juices. People started ordering. Look at all my water supply. Yes, stay hydrated, guys. I'm starting to spring water. I used to have a whole bunch of alkaline, but I was reading up on alkaline. I'm not even gonna get into it, but anyway, let's make some breakfast / lunch / dinner. I don't know what part of the world y'all eat it in, but I eat this any time of the day. It is cheesy grits and pink salmon cakes, but we could say fish cakes. That's how we say in the West Indies, but oh my goodness, I'm putting some thyme. I make my own sofrito. That's on my Etsy shop. That's what I just put in. That was in that cup. And y'all saw I had the salmon in the can. I debone it and I just mush it up, make sure I don't have no bones because my daughter don't like it. Eggs, this is for her. So y'all already know that's not vegan. Eggs I put in, and I'm also gonna squish it and mold it and make it, put it in the flour. And I do not put seasoning in that flour because she don't like it too spicy. She's like half American, so she's not with the seasoning and stuff. And I tried these instant grits, but they not working. So I went back to my old fashioned. I just didn't show you in the video. But I just mix it up, keep mixing it. Then I add the cheese. I use this cheddar, sharp cheddar. And I went to Giant's, but usually I have Cracker Barrel, but it seems like they had a low supply and they didn't have it. So I just keep mixing it. You just keep stirring. Keep your fire on low, very low, really, really low. Yeah, very low. Let me reiterate that. But other than that, I like it. She loves it, so I make whatever she loves, Yeah. But thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. I added some avocados, and then she wanted strawberries, and she wanted pineapples, but I ain't put that in the whole video. Y'all already know. I'll see y'all on my next video, guys. Bye.